Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Jovenal Narcisse. And for today's video, I'm going to feature to you my latest pickup or haul from the UNIQLO store, which is located in SM Mega Mall in Metro Manila. And these are the long sleeve utility shirt, which is, they call it oversirt, long sleeves. I got three colors. Actually, they have four colors in their stock. First is they have the dark canvas or the brown color, the black color, and the olive green color. The other one that is lacking is the indigo or denim oversirt, which I did not buy because I have a lot of long sleeve western shirt which are salvage denim. So we'll go through these items one by one. As I measure the shoulder, I usually take into consideration three measurements of shirts. First is the shoulder, the second is the pit to pit, and the opening at the hem. So this is small, and for the small they have 18 inches as the shoulder length or shoulder measurement. The arm is 20.5 and the hem is also 20.5, and they have ordinary buttons. They are not snap buttons. It has two front pockets, and it's very simple. This is a very nice color for denims. The other one is black in color. It looks like a faded black, not a full black, but it is some sort of a fade black or black gray in color. And this is small. By the way, the price of each item is 1,990 pesos, which is equivalent to almost $50. But here in the Philippines, we don't have any sales tax, and what is tagged in the item, and that's the exact price that you're going to buy. And this one is the brown. This is also small in size. The price is 1,990, and the color of the buttons is brown. Very nice as a work shirt or undershirt. It is nice to pair with your denims. The black one with black buttons, and of course the olive green with green buttons. So I'm going to try one item, and we will see how it fits with my body. I'm going to use the black. The sleeves is just the exact size or length, and the hem is nice. As an oversirt, it's really nice. I'm just going to button some of the breast buttons for you to see And of course the length is nice. Maybe it is 26 or 28 inches in length. And the buttons are very nice also, very accessible and very roomy. I'm wearing a denim right now, so this is nice. You can wear it button or unbuttoned. So nice. We'll have the olive one. Nice fit. Nice for the denim. Nice also when it is buttoned. And the last one is the brown one, which is very, very nice to pair with a denim, salvage denim jeans. It looks like a nice jacket or shirt jacket when it is unbuttoned. Nice length. So if you have any comments on these items that I purchased lately from UNIQLO, please say so in the comment section. Please like and click that notification bell if you haven't done, so that my incoming videos will be notified to you. And of course, please subscribe to this channel for more contents on fashion wear and heritage wear. With that, thank you and have a good day. Bye.